Okay, so here's the problem once again. Oliver's 56 inches tall and Kellen is 49 inches tall. How much taller is Oliver than Kellen? Well, you can see I drew a little diagram that shows Oliver being 56 inches tall and Kellen being 49 inches tall. And what the question is asking us to find is how much taller, so how many inches taller is Oliver than Kellen? So we're looking for the distance between the two numbers, okay? Or the amount between the two numbers. So here we have 49 inches, and for Oliver is 56. So this is actually going to be a subtraction problem. Now remember, when we set up a subtraction problem, the larger or greater number always comes first because we have to have enough to take away. So I could write it vertically or horizontally. Horizontally would look like this. Okay? But for today's purposes, we're going to do the equation like this. And so what I want to remind you is how to subtract when we don't have enough in a certain place value to subtract the bottom number. Remember, I've always said with subtraction, we just draw the top number. With addition, we draw both numbers because we're joining numbers together. Here, we're taking a part from a whole. So we're only going to draw the top number. So I'm going to draw 5 tens for 50. And make them rectangles so they don't look like ones. Okay, and then 6 ones. And remember, I'm going to make those X's. Now, is 6 enough to take away 9? No, it isn't. I don't have enough, so I have to go next door to the tens place and borrow or regroup a 10. So I'm going to erase one of these tens, and I'm going to move it over to the ones place. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have now 2 different numbers we're working with. It's no longer 56. Now it is 4 tens and 16 ones. Now we have enough to subtract 9. So I'm going to go ahead and erase 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones do I have left? Very good. I have 7. And now 4 minus 4 is super easy. I'm going to erase this. I have 0. So the difference between Oliver and Kellen is 7 inches. And remember, anytime I'm working with measurement, I always put the unit of measure at the end. I'm going to put a different explanation of how to solve comparison problems online. Go ahead and practice this today. We've reviewed both subtraction with regrouping and comparison problems.